Hello artists! Today we're going to make a reflection inspired by artist Claude Monet. You will have a messy mat and a piece of paper. You need your name and your class in the corner, and make sure you're only using pencil or a dark crayon to write your name, and flip it over. You will have your own watercolor set. Every table will have a tray that has water, and it has more water. Okay, this one has a sponge in it. You're going to find out why very shortly. Helpers will get these. I will deliver trays to your table. You need to take your paper, make the long sides touch and open. Notice my name is still hiding on the back side. Then we're going to take the sponge. The bowl stays on the tray. Take the sponge, and it may be this kind or maybe the square kind. Squeeze it out over the bowl, so all the water stays here. And then you're going to take that sponge and wipe across your paper 1 or 2 times. Okay, put it back in the bowl for the next person. We have to take turns. And when we're getting this wet, we want it just enough to be a little shiny. We don't want it drowning. Then I will have a list of colors on the board for you to use, and you're going to use 2 of them. First, we have to get the paint wet. We make a little puddle and stir, and we are painting horizontal strokes. The reason we got the paper wet first is this is called wet on wet. It makes your paint spread. So I'm putting short horizontal strokes. Every time I need more paint, I get my brush wet. It is very thirsty. Then I'm going to get my second color wet and put that in towards the top. Put a little bit of my second color in the first color. Just a little, not a lot. Okay, time for the sponge again. Squeeze it over the bowl. And this time when you wipe, make sure you are not touching the paint. We want the sponge to stay clean. Back in the bowl. We are using the exact same colors, and since it is a reflection, it needs to flip. So my blue is still going to be close to the center. Putting a little bit of the purple in with the blue. Then this is going to the drying rack to dry.